Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to fix Facebook professional mode option not showing in your Facebook account. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you just need to connect the internet to your mobile and then open Play Store and then go to search bar and type Facebook and open it. So after that, if you see there have an option for update, you just need to click on it, and after that you just need to wait for complete it 100% updating. So after successfully update your Facebook app, then open your Facebook app and click on the top right corner 3-line menu bar icon and select your profile and select 3 dot, and right now at the last option you can find finally turn on professional mode. So guys, that's it, and in this way you can fix Facebook professional mode option not showing in your Facebook account. So I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.